Bo Buddies. This is Desi, and I'm Bo.
Wizard!
Are you ready to go?
Bo on the go. Bo on the go. Bo on the go. It's time to move. Come on, let's go.
When you move with me, you give me energy.
You'll have Bo power too.
You make my power band glow when you get on the go.
Bo, 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 on the go. Things might get in our way. We need your help today.
When you move, I move too.
We'll get through somehow. Nothing can stop us now.
I need Bo power, and it comes from you.
Bo on the go. Bo on the go. Bo on the go. It's time to move. Come on, let's go. Maximum Bo power!
Bo's Bluebird.
Bo Buddies, it's so great you're here. I really need your help. Our bluebird of happiness is missing.
Bluebird. Oh.
And that makes everyone sad. Especially Desi. We need to find Bluebird. There's only one person who would know where Bluebird is. Wizard! I'll need your help to make Wizard appear. Will you help me? You will? Thanks a bunch! We're going to have to move around a lot to do it, so we need to get in our Bo zone.
Bozone!
Come on, Bo Buddies. Clear an open space in front of you where it's safe to move around. Move those toys and things out of the way. Then we can get on the go today. Keep clearing your Bo zone. Almost done. There. Now we're ready to make Wizard appear. Stand in the middle of your Bo zone. Point your finger in the air.
It seems the sticky old snake. Find 3 doors, not one more. Behind door number 3, you will find what you seek. Take a peek. Find these 3 your bluebird of happiness. Your buddies better get on the go.
To find 3 doors. To make the first door come, we have to run on the spot. Are you in your Bo zone? Good. When I count to 3, run with me. 1, 2, 3, run! The chamber of doors. Come on, Bo Buddies. Run fast or run slow. But help me go, go, go. You can even march or walk. But please don't stop. Uh-oh, I'm getting low on energy. Run with me, Bo Buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Everyone run! That door's gonna come! Maximum Bo power! Run, Bo Buds!
The door!
We did it, Bo Buddies! We made...
A flamingo!
Do you think there are flamingos inside? Locked. We need a key. A flying key. You know how to catch a flying key? Will you help me? Super Bo-Duper! Stay tall. Tall as a giraffe. On your tippy toes. Stretch. Stretch with me to catch a key. As tall as you can. Reach out your hand. And jump. Caught a key. Good work, Bo-Buds. Through the flamingo door we go.
Oops. Sorry.
Wow! Look at all the flamingos. Do you see our second door anywhere?
There it is.
Just across.
No fence. But be careful. The flamingos don't like anyone walking on their lawn. If they see you walking on their grass, they'll block your way and won't let you build it very fast. Stay on the go and don't go slow, or you will not get past. There it is.
To get over the Penguin Ice Palace, we have to climb, climb, climb like a monkey. Desi's a crazy monkey climber.
Hi.
Let's all be monkeys too. Still in your bow zone? Okay. When I count to 3, climb on the spot with me. 1, 2, 3, climb! Use your hands to climb. This hand, that hand, one at a time. Now lift your legs. Let's keep on climbing too. Don't stop climbing. Monkeys, up with me. Hands and lift your feet. Climbing. Low energy. With me, Bo Buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Climb, please don't stop us and we'll reach the top. Yes, you're really helping me. I can feel your energy. Maximum bow power! We did it, Bo Buddies! We got past the Penguin Ice Palace. We made it through thanks to you. Bo Boogie time! You boogie too! Let's see what kind of boogie you can do. Boogie, Bo